So what's up guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode. I am at Aqua Sun Boesingelieden near to Amsterdam, and if you want to know how you can earn this €200 gift card spending on corals or fish here at Aqua Sun, keep watching at the end of the video. Alright, so we're in the shop here at Sander, his place, and this is the favorite coral shop of Lars, and this is also the place where he buys all his corals. It's crazy. I've never seen something like this. I'm going to introduce you to the owner and of course Lars, and I have to be a little bit quiet because they are looking for some really nice pieces, but here we go. Sander, thank you so much. First of all, guys, this is Sander. Thank you so much for having me here. And of course Lars again. First of all, you got a great place here. Everything is so clean, and I've seen corals that I've never seen before.
Just having a good mother is always a good thing, because he's cleaning also. No, well, he does most of the stuff himself. I'm Sander. I have started my shop a long time ago. We burned down one time. That's
no way.
Yeah, but that was not so funny. Oh. But we can start all over again, and we are going very good. So yeah. Yeah.
Wow, great. Yeah. And then we have, of course, Lars here.
Yeah, and, famous customer of Aqua Sun. Everybody is afraid of him because he's buying everything from everyone. No,
but you got one big advantage, and that's you're near to the airport, so if you got some fresh corals in.
New stuff is coming straight away, so it's quickly here. Unpacking very quick, so that's always good.
Yeah, absolutely amazing. Yeah. So how big is the store, and how many
300 square meters.
Yeah.
Which are above. We have a new space we're gonna fill up for the online shop, but that's taking a while, because it's a lot of work. This is 200 square meters filled up with, you see it in the video, and it's not enough, never.
No, exactly. No. And that's also the problem for Lars.
yeah, it's not enough. Oh, always let's do a tank more, or can we do something else?
Yeah, add some more beautiful pieces, and so maybe it's your secret and you don't want to tell about it, but how did you get these kind of corals and fish here in your shop?
Just I don't know. I just like to have them, and when you have a passion for something, I think it always works out good for you. Yeah. If you don't passionate because you want to show off with friends, don't do. Just do it because you want to.
I really like it.
And that's really important. If you know not enthusiastic for the hobby, leave it.
No, exactly.
Leave it, because it's animals. You don't have to mess around with animals if you don't like it for yourself.
Yeah, exactly. And it's also, of course, having the right contacts to get some amazing pieces.
Yeah, I have a very good grocery where I get my stuff, and I like.
Yeah, great. Yeah. All right, guys. So Sander gave me the €200 gift card to give away. So what should they do for that? First of all, they have to follow your YouTube channel or your Instagram page or Facebook.
It's possible. Just follow the Facebook and the YouTube channel. You can always watch videos on AquaaSan Coral channel. If you follow this, that's nice. It's nice.
Yeah, great.
Gives more customers, maybe more likers.
Yeah, sure.
Maybe more people that will get enthusiastic to do something they think, oh, this is something for me. Good.
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. Hobby. So go to his YouTube channel and Facebook page, like it. I will put a link in the description below. Yeah. And of course, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. What do you think about this shop? Because I think it's really beautiful. So. And of course, there's Lars again.
Yeah.
He probably has seen something that he really likes.
Probably. It's not easy to get all the beautiful stuff because he's always getting away with it.
Oh.
No. There's so much beautiful stuff.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Great. So what can you show me that is really special? What you have right now in your shop?
They are all special.
Yeah.
Some are less special, but there are more special. Maybe I can show you one.
Okay, so I'm going to follow Sander.
Follow me.
We have to leave Lars alone, but I think he will.
Red Cinerinas, people like, expensive but like the other ones here. Also very special.
It's amazing, and it's very fine.
Special kind of ears, mushrooms. Yeah, it's just
great.
there are so much. I really love cycloceras. Those are the ones on top here, with all kinds of colors you have in them. Easy coral also. We place them on the bottom. It's family of the fungias, like this.
Okay, I'm on my way. I have to put the glasses away because here we are.
These are fungias, same family, but less colorful.
Yeah.
Beautiful, but less colorful.
Yeah, so guys, I've got one of those in my tank and it's doing pretty good, to be honest.
Yeah.
And I really like it. They have a small mouth in there and sometimes they take some stuff in there.
If you throw food on them, then they go to the inside and then they eat it. Yeah, funny to see.
Exactly, so I'm going to follow Sander. And this is where he has all his products in his store. Got some customers here.
Normally it's really fold up in the space, so you have you have more room to watch. I like Phafitus. I like you have so many species with very beautiful colors. I'm looking for these are interstellar ears. They are normally when they're here they are special because they have green and orange dots.
So much beautiful colors.
Yeah, so much. But I also like Acanthostreuas, also kind of my favorite.
That's great. Yeah, and I'm for the people who are watching my videos, they know that I'm new into the hobby, so I have to learn all the names, all the type of corals, and of course maintaining my own tank. But we are getting there, and these are very special moments for me because I'm able to learn and learn more about the hobby and also more about the fun thing that everything has to come with having a saltwater tank.
That's why you need my 06 number, because you can always WhatsApp the names or problems.
Well, that's a really good idea.
Yeah.
This is a nice dark colored gonio. Is this a gonio or alveo?
Alveopora.
Alveopora.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Wow.
He's the only one that can pick out his own corals, because he's.
That's a privilege he has.
Yeah, it's his privilege.
No.
Yeah.
Wow. That is crazy. Look at all those beautiful pieces.
Ik zag zeker nog meer giftcards in dat ene bakje, of niet? Was dit de laatste?
So Lasse, what do you think? Is he picking the right corals?
Yes, always.
So guys, if you want to, Lasse is also making pretty nice photos and videos about saltwater aquariums. So where do they need to go to follow you? Because I think it's also fun to give you a great shout out, right?
Yes, thank you. You can follow me on Instagram, Lasse Opdam.
Great. And I will put the link in the description below, of course.
Always
Thank
good.
you.
It's always good to have also young people start the hobby.
Exactly. Yeah.
If you're not fun with animals, like making a beautiful landscape out of your tank, because we are like an underwater botanicus, then you have it's a special hobby to get.
Yeah, and it's important. That's the reason why I always try to take my son with me when I do shopping, things like this, and
it's very educating.
Showing him some koi ponds. Look at this beautiful piece. All right, guys. So you know what to do to get those that gift card you can spend here at the place of Sander at Aqua Sun here in near to Amsterdam, in Boesingelide.
We don't sell by internet.
Sorry?
We don't sell by internet, not yet, because that's something I have to get out.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work, so that will be maybe next year or whatever.
So I think it's good when someone is from the Netherlands, Germany or Belgium. If you want to make a chance of that €200 gift card here in Amsterdam. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back here at this shop to get some home corals, make a new video, and also Sander invited me at his place to see your home tank. Yeah. And I'm very looking forward to that.
It's longer than the Lars.
Wow.
Longer tank, but not as beautiful.
Okay, great. So thank you so much again for your hospitality and having me here, and the great giveaway we can do, and of course also that I'm able to get something home. And Lars, thank you so much also. That's really kind of good.
It's good.
Okay,